Boots on the dirt, no road in sight. Back to the wild where it feels right. River keeps singing my favorite song. Out here's where I belong. Cast my line in the fading light. Watch it dance on the water bright. No rush, no noise, no crowded streets. Just the rhythm my heartbeat meets. I don't need nothing more tonight. Got the stars and a firelight. Light the fire, let it rise. Smoke drifting to the open skies. Catch a fish, let it roll slow. Feel the peace deep in my soul. Crack a wood and the flames grow high. Shadows move as the night goes by. Simple meal, but it tastes so true. Nothing fake, nothing new. No screams, no chains, no heavy load. Just this life on a quiet road. If I stay, would I lose or win? Or finally find where I've always been? Like a fire, let it rise. Freedom burning in my eyes. Taste the wild, let it show. All I need is what I know. Ashes fade, the night goes still. Morning comes beyond the hill, and I breathe. Yeah, I breathe. Yeah, I breathe. Sunlight dancing on the trees. Warm air flowing with the breeze. Set up camp by the riverside. Leave the busy world behind. No alarms, no place to be. Just a river, you and me. We're feeling the Amazon breeze. Life is simple, hearts at ease. Cast a line into the blue. Watch the sky change every hue. Morning coffee by the fire. Crackling wood and soft guitar. Fishing lines and lazy days. Lost inside this peaceful place. Time slows down so naturally. This is how it's meant to be. We're feeling the Amazon breeze. Life is simple, hearts at ease. Catch a fish and set it free. Living wild and feeling free. No worries in the air tonight. Stars above are shining bright. Every breath just feels so right. Underneath the moonlight, we're feeling the